To lock apps in Pixel 8a, start in the Play Store and you're going to search for App Lock Fingerprint. Then locate the App Lock Fingerprint by SPSoft and tap to install this. Once the fingerprint is installed, open it up and you want to allow all permissions it asks for. We will create a master pin. Then we will tap yes to turn on fingerprint. Then tap the plus. Choose the apps you would like to lock and tap the plus again to add the app. We need to do some setup, so tap OK. Then under usage access, tap into app lock and permit the usage access. Then tap OK again and we see display over other apps. Tap on app lock, then tap allow display over other apps. Tap OK one more time and allowing files access is not necessary. So now we open the app we locked. So I'm just going to open the app I locked. And what's my fingerprint? Once that's entered, the access is granted.